Ever feel like your expense management software is nickel and diming you? You're not alone. Many popular platforms have hidden fees that can add up quickly. Today, we're diving into the world of Expensify and specifically, their unbundled fee. What is the unbundled fee? Expensify offers a variety of plans, some with a bundled structure and others with an unbundled structure. The bundled plans combine their software features with the use of their Expensify card. This card offers benefits like streamlined expense tracking and potentially better foreign exchange rates. The unbundled fee comes into play when you choose a plan without the Expensify card, or if your company uses the software but doesn't reach a minimum threshold of Expensify card transactions. Essentially, it's an additional cost on top of the base subscription fee. How much is the unbundled fee? The exact cost of the unbundled fee depends on your chosen Expensify plan. There are two main categories, Collect and Control. Collect. This plan is designed for basic expense reporting and has a lower unbundled fee. It can be around $5 for annual subscriptions and $10 for pay-per-use options. Control. This plan offers more advanced features like corporate card integrations and expense approvals. The unbundled fee for Control is higher, typically around $9 for annual subscriptions and $18 for pay-per-use. Important caveats. There are a couple of key things to remember about the unbundled fee. First, Expensify implemented a phased rollout for existing customers. This means the full fee wasn't charged immediately, but gradually increased over a period of time. However, as of June 2021, the full unbundled fee applies. Second, there's a way to avoid the unbundled fee altogether. If your company uses the Expensify card and at least 50% of your approved expenses are made with the card, then the unbundled fee is waived. There's also a sliding scale in place, so if your Expensify card usage is lower but not insignificant, you might see a partial fee reduction. Who should be aware of the unbundled fee? This information is particularly relevant for businesses considering Expensify or already using it without the Expensify card. If you're a freelancer or a small team with minimal expense tracking needs, the free plan might suffice. However, companies with regular expenses and needing advanced features should factor in the potential unbundled fee when comparing Expensify to other expense management solutions. Alternatives to consider. While Expensify remains a popular option, it's not the only game in town. Several other expense management platforms offer similar features, some with different pricing structures. It's always a good idea to research and compare options before committing to a specific software. By understanding the Expensify unbundled fee, you can make more informed decisions about your expense management needs. Remember, transparency in pricing is crucial. Don't get caught off guard by hidden fees. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, make sure you're getting the most value out of your expense management software.